Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm gonna do unboxing of HK Ultra 1. This is a 4G smartwatch. Now what I mean by that is you can insert your 4G SIM in it and you can use it as a phone on your wrist basically. And the design of the watch is very similar to Apple Watch Ultra. So on the back side you can see we have YouTube, TikTok and Facebook. You can download different applications via Google Play Store because it comes with Google Play Store as well, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let me just unbox this. I wish that you can connect this watch with your phone, but unfortunately we don't have that option, even though it has Bluetooth connection and Wi-Fi connection. So in the box you can see we have quick start guide, which we actually don't need. It's very easy to set this up. So in the box we have a different type of charging dock. Actually this is the first time that I'm seeing this dock, because usually all the clone watches comes with this type of dock. Let me just show you quickly. This is the one that most clones get, this type of charging dock. So, and also we get orange ocean band and trial loop band. The quality of the bands are amazing. So I'm going to use this trial loop band, and we get a guitar pick so you can open the SIM slot. So this one. Now let's open the, now let's peel the plastic from this watch. Let me remove the plastic. It's very difficult to get actually. So as you can see, the design is very similar to Apple Watch Ultra 2. On the right hand side we have a crown key, and in the middle we have camera. Actually you can use the camera as well. So on the back side we have different sensors like heart rate, and I believe it comes with blood pressure sensor as well. On the left hand side we have action button, which is not actually a button. You can insert your SIM in that slot. So I'm going to show you that in a few minutes as well. And the body is, guys, plastic. Actually they are not using an aluminum body, which is actually kind of weird. I believe it is due to heat dissipation, but I'm not sure. So because in HK9 Ultra 2 Max they are using aluminum, and in this version it is using plastic body. So as you can see, compared to my original Apple Watch Ultra, the body color is very similar actually. So let me just remove the SIM slot. You can insert your 4G SIM, and you have to confirm with the seller that it will work in your region or not. But so link is in the description, guys, if you want to order this. Seller is Zorwing from AliExpress. So let me just turn on the watch, and we get a pop-up to insert SIM card. You can use it without the SIM card as well. And this is the band that I'm using. Actually trial loop looks very good, and I'm really liking the watch. So far so good. The quality is very good actually, but the body is plastic. I think it is due to heat management, so I'm not sure. And the screen that they are using is Amoled display, which is very good, and it has 90 Hz refresh rate, which I'm going to show you. So the crown key is also very good, and overall the build quality is good in this price range. If you are getting a smartwatch like features, which is very good, I'm not actually complaining. So on the back side we have, as you can see, Smartwatch Ultra 2, and if I swipe from the right, as you can see, we have our menu, which is very smooth, guys. As you can see, the smoothness of this watch is amazing. Speed is very good, and I believe it is 90 Hz refresh rate. And if I swipe from the top, you get your quick settings like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but you cannot pair it with your smartphone actually, which is very annoying actually. So if we swipe from here, from the corner, it will go back. It has palm gesture as well, and a raise to wake feature. So we have Google Play Store. As I told you previously, you can install a lot of applications that is compatible with this watch. So you can install TikTok and different applications like WhatsApp, It also comes with the built-in screen, built-in keyboard, and these are all the watch faces that it has. And please guys, let me know how you can install more watch faces, because I don't see any videos or any tips how you can install different watch faces in this version. So let me know in the comments down below if you know how you can install different watch faces. So the heart rate is also working fine. I've checked it previously, and you cannot measure it like this. In HK9 Ultra 2 Max, it will measure if you put it on a table, which is very annoying. So HK9 Ultra 2 Max heart rate sensor is not that good. So I'm going to show you a YouTube video how it's looking on the screen. So as you can see, the colors look really good because of AMOLED display. You can watch YouTube videos on your wrist, and the quality of the screen is amazing, guys. So if we press the power button, you can switch between different applications, and you can close the applications. If we double tap, you can change the menu style. So here is the list view, which is very smooth, as you can see. I'm really impressed by the smoothness of this watch, guys. Actually, it is actually better than compared to HK9 Ultra 2 Max. So this is another style which is also very good. This is the other style as well, and looks very good. All of the menus look really good actually, and this one also is very good style. So, and my favorite one is this one, guys. This looks very good actually. As you can see, the smoothness and the animations look very good. And in crown key, you don't get any haptic feedback, which is very annoying, because in HK9 Ultra 2 there is a haptic feedback when you scroll the crown key, which is not present in this version actually. So let me change the menu back to the stock, and this is our stock menu style. And the storage is out of the box. We get around 14 GB is used, and the total space is 32 GB, which is very good actually. So you can install a lot of stuff, and the battery is at 93%, and the camera quality is okay. Just you cannot take a lot of pictures with it, but still we have that feature. So overall, guys, it's a good Android smartwatch. If you want to purchase a separate Android wrist mobile, whatever you want to call it. The next video I will be showing you games running on this smartwatch like Subway Surfer. So if you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.